Uyu ni thibitari wa Mutuini mwena wa Dagoretti uria ni wa gikiro kia level 4 na niguo aikari a Dagoretti ya rugongo na ya muhuro oro mwena Westlands makoragwo marorete iguru umatungatire indi namba ya andu ni nene gukira uhoti waguo. Na thiini wa thibitari uyu kuri na mwaka uyu uria wambiriirio hindi ya utongoria wa NMS indi waki waguo ukoretwo tiganiirio kwa ihinda ria miaka 2 na woereirwo guthie na mbere gwakwo mwaka muhituku. Murugamiriri munene wa thibitari uyu Ndagitari Frederick Obwanda akiuga ni mathukeirwo kigina gia ciringi milioni 238 ni thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi niguo kurikia gugikinyeria mweri wa gatandatu na wambatirio gikiro kia level 5.
In the financial year 2024-2025, the county has set aside 238 million Kenyan shillings, which is in the budget and has been approved by the county assembly, which will go towards completing and equipping this facility. His Excellency the Governor has put so much efforts and resources to make sure that this hospital moves from being a level 4 hospital to level 5 hospital sometime this year.
Itanya inene ni kuongerera motungata kuri muingi wa mwena uyu na gutigirira andu matiratumo mathibitari-ini mangi kumatha motungata kuria riu megukorwo nginyagia na sesheni ya andu guthambio higo kuona aingi mohaga thafari guthie Mbagathi kana Kenyatta.
When this facility is completed, it will be a 400 bed capacity. Any patient who will come over here will get a 360-degree care without having to be referred.
We will also have a renal unit, which we don't have any on this western side of Nairobi. So that will really help with patients who are going through dialysis, and it will really help them to recover.
Na kuona mwena uyu ukoretwo gumeirwo ni andu kurika ukombo-ini wa uhuthiri wa dawa cia kurefia, sesheni ya Mat Clinic ya guteithiriria aria marenda gutiga dawa icio ni gukorwo ikiambiririo.
Within this area we have a challenge of people using substances, and what we are currently doing is that last year the governor commissioned a methadone clinic, and thereafter upon commissioning that we've been working towards the launch of that, which will be done next week, and it will be a bigger rehab center.
On top of the methadone, we will have this mental health and psychiatry clinic to support mental issues in all variety, including depression and stress and suicide ideations among the likes.
Thibitari uyu warika kuri na mendekithia makucenjia ritwa kuma Mutuini na wetagwo Mama Rachel Ruto, no aikari a mwena uyu nio makahitukia undu uyu. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.